TRX holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. Don't miss this video, my friends. Don't miss this update. If you miss any second of this video, so there is a chance that you will get a loss. But my friends, if you watch this video completely, so my friends, you know what? There is a possibility so you will get profit from a TRX, my friends. Anyways, let's start the video, my friends, without wasting any time. But please, first of all, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, if you look the currently price of the TRX Tron in the market, so the currently price is 0.070391 USD dollar. That is the currently at this time price of the TRX. On the other side, if you look the price changes of the TRX, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 weekend pricing is negative. The whole price change occur in the TRX is completely in the loss, my friends. Pricing is negative, that means that you are in the loss, my friends. So what should we do in this critical situation? As it is time to buy, as it is time to hold, as it is time to sell. And you know what, my friends, a lot of people are angry to TRX that what's going on in this time in the TRX, my friends. My friends, on this time, personally, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. It's time to hold, my friends. Why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. For instance, my friends, if you decide to sell TRX on this price, so this price is very low, and if you sell TRX on this price, so you are in the loss, my friends. On the other side, if you decide to hold, so my friends, there is a lot of possibilities to the price will pump in the future. Maybe the price will pump in the next hour, maybe the price will pump in the next day. So there's a possibilities to the price will pump. That is why I recommend for everyone to please hold TRX, my friends. And you know what, my friends, my prediction about TRX is 100% positive. I believe that TRX will give us good amount of profit. TRX will give us a good amount of profit in this month, my friends. Oh my god, as I told you, my friends, and now if I zoom the price chart of the TRX, let me show you, my friends. Now in the last few minutes, the price of TRX is going to the moon, my friends. This chart is jumping. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.